Hello, good morning, students. How are you today? Today is Monday. Today, teacher T.Jona will going to teach you about the things that we use around or use to make things around. Okay, so there are different types of materials. Teacher T.Jona will going to show you the different types of this. First is we have our Okay, these things are made of plastics. Examples is we have toy car, Walkman, paddling pool, dice, kettle, toy brakes, watering can, party bag, and kitchen bin or dust bin. Okay, so these are the things that made of plastics. Next are the things that made of wood. These are the examples. Example number 1 is we have table, a desk, a ladder, a shed, a pencils or a color pencils, bookshelves, bird table, drawers, and a wardrobe. These things are made of wood. Next are the things that made of a rubber. Rubber is we have gloves, a balloon, a rubber band, a water hose. Okay, so these are the things that made of rubbers. Okay, next thing is made of metal. This materials is made of metal. Examples is a frying pan, top. Top is where we can use to have our water, and radiator, spanner, tin, a saucepan, a nails, key, and medal. All of this is made of metal. And next is things or materials that made of a fabric or a cloth. Example is a rucksack or a bag, hat, teddy bears, flag, a pants or a trouser, a jumper or a t-shirt or a sweatshirt, a pajamas, a sleeping bag. Okay, all of this is made of a cloth or fabric. Next is made of glass. Example of the things that made of glass is a measuring cup, a marble, a cylinder glass, a horse glass, a magnifying glass, eyeglass, and a bulb. Okay, all of this is made of a glass. Next is a things. Okay, no more. So this is the things or materials that made of plastics. Okay, this one. Wood, rubber, metal, a cloth or a fabric, and a glass. Okay, so these are the materials that we use every day. But these things are made of wood, a glass, a metal, a wood, a plastic, or a cloth. Okay, so on your activity, you are going to circle the things that made of either wood or a plastic. Okay, so here in the first box, you're going to circle the things that made of wood. Okay, so what are the things that made of wood? Can you please circle it? And the other box, you're going to circle the things that made of plastic. So what are the things that made of plastic? Can you please circle it? Okay, so this would be your activity today. Okay. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.